create products on your online store. As you can see here on the front end, we have a product. If you go to the tabs, just gonna go there quickly. While that's loading, we're just gonna log in on the back end. This is where we make all the edits. So I'm gonna provide you with your own login details so that you can be able to log in as an administrator. Okay. Yeah, so it's taking quite long to load. I don't know why. So as we come here, you can see we have the back end where we have all our information, how we edit on the back end. But what you want to focus on is this tab right here where it says products. When we go to products, we can go to all products. These are tags that we create for your product. So if it's you can say gold or gold bars and stuff. I'm gonna go more into detail for that. And attributes, it's just like if you have some kind of say if you have a specific gold product, gold attribute, you can put it under that category, under that structure. And then when we have categories, this is for to separate your silver from your gold. So we have gold bars, that's gonna be one category. We have gold coins, that's gonna be another category, gold. Then we have silver bars and silver coins. So to add new products, you're gonna either click here or go to all products, and that's where we're gonna go. So this is a front end, and when we go to our online store, we can see where all our products are. And here's our shop. We can click on gold, and then we have our gold bars and gold coins. That's our different categories. When we click on gold bars, I'm just gonna do a product for this one, 10 GM gold bar. So under all products, we can see all our products here that have been created. Remember I said you go to products, all products, then we can see all our products have been created here. So to add a new product, you either go on the left tab and say add new, or you can go up here and say add new. So we're gonna click that and say add new, and then I'm just gonna duplicate all this information and the description as well. And you can see here there's a difference here because there's no price that's added. So if you want to add a custom price, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Right now currently there's no price, so we're gonna get into that. So when we get to add new product, first you want to click on product name, which we have here. So we're just gonna name it 2 because this is a second product we're gonna create just for testing purposes. And then under here we have what is known as your long description. So in this space you're gonna put your long description, which I already copied here. You copy that, you paste it in there, then we have our long description. Then we have which is this thing over here. If you go on our front end, we can see there's a description. Then you have a short description, which is this. What you want to do is go and scroll down to the bottom. It says product short description, and that's where you're gonna add your short description, which I've already copied over here. And you see this is for your editor, and this is visual based. So we're gonna make it kind of like a list sort of view. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna do that quickly. Yeah, text, cut, paste, and then we have a short description. And then what's left is your price. So if you want to add a custom price, you see here where it says regular price, which is in dollars. So you can have something that says the gold is going for $250, for example. And then we can add also a SKU, which is like a custom unique identifier for your product. So if it can be like ID 001 for your SKU. And then shipping, if you're gonna have a weight for your product, you can say maybe the gold bar is weighing 10 kgs or something. You add a weight in there, and then you see we have that ounce, and then we can change that to a kg, and then centimeters to millimeters or something. And then if we go down to link products, that's fine. So the only thing that we can change here is if you have price and if you have an SKU, and then we can say if it's in stock or out of stock. So if you have the product in stock, you can select that. And then shipping, we can dive into details on that one, because that's another area that it's separate from this. And then we have here product categories. So this category is under gold and gold bars, so we're gonna set that to gold and gold bars. And then down here we have product tags. So whatever tags you want to add for your product, I've already done it here. You can see it says separate tags with commas, which I've already done here. We say gold separated by a comma. Then we copy that, we add it here. When I click add, it adds all that. Then we can set a product image. So I've already set my product images for that with a custom size. So you want all the products to be the same size. So what we're gonna do is have our images. These are images. We have products here. We can see the custom size is set to 300 by 300. So our product is over here. This is a 10. This is a 10. You can see set by 300 by 300. Each product is set to that, so that every product can have the same size. So we set our featured image. This is what will appear on the front end. And then when I click, when all is done, what we're gonna do is say publish. Then I've published that. Okay, so you can see it says the product has been published. So we can go either here to view our product, or we can go to gold bars and we can see the product. So this is a product overview for all the gold bars. We can see our newly added product over here with its custom price of $250. And when we go over here, we can see that it's been added. So there we have a price, and we can see because this has a set price, so therefore there's no price that has been added on this one. And if you go here, you can see that there's a price that's been added. And then yeah, that's it. We can see our SKU over here, our category, gold and gold bars, our tags, gold bar, description, short description, and everything. So once the product has been added, then the person can add to cart, and that will take us to our checkout, where the person can go and proceed to the payment. So once that's done, you can see update to the cart. Then shipping method, we said it's a flat rate, but if you want to change that, we can also dive into details. Then we can say proceed to checkout. And over here we have all our billing details and our payment gateway, which is PayPal. Then we proceed to pay with PayPal. And then with regards to shipment, so I've logged into my account, I've logged in. Yeah, so it goes and then it does all that for verification purposes, and once that's done, then you can make your payment. But for now I'm just gonna cancel that and go back. And then with regards to shipping, we can set that with FedEx or the courier guy, depending on what shipping methods you want to use, or if you'd want the customer to collect at your local store. So this is what our shipping methods will look like. You can have it set to a local pickup, or you can add your own shipping methods depending on what you would like to put it as. Okay, and then we have, that's where we set our shipping methods. But if you would like a short tutorial on the shipping and everything, we can also go through with that. Then also we have a flat rate, taxable, no, taxable. And then, yes, I think I've covered everything regarding the adding of products. There's also a lot of things that we have to include, like the shipping of how the customer is gonna collect the gold. Will it be a local pickup, or will they be able to get it delivered to their location? And also cover the different zones, whether it's gonna be only in South Africa, Johannesburg, or all around. So yeah, with that being said, I think I've concluded, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.